Assalamualaikum. How are you doing, guys? So I think you guys pretty fine. So today I'd like to share a message and a secret actually, because how can you start your learning? Okay. So from today I gonna share with you secret, and that way you can learn and you can actually start your communication skill. So what is the secret behind it? There's a lot of people they can speak English, even whose people they still learned this language. So how they have started? From my experience, I gonna say today that how you can start out. Okay, so the main secret of speaking, you have to speak. There is no alternative way. You guys already hours about it. So how can you start your communication skill, and how can you start this practice? Okay, so now I'm saying that, so you have to say, you have to speak like little word. You have to make little sentences. This way you have to continue. Suppose you know everything what you need at this time. Why I'm saying that, it has reason. Like you are, suppose you are a student, or you have passed your like academic study or school level or college level, whatever, and those guys is still watching my video, and I can say, that ingredient what you need for your like communication, I mean English communication. Okay, so now you have to know the secret. The secret is that you need to make like little sentences. Suppose you know what is the meaning of go, you know very well. So you can apply go. I'm go, sorry, I go to school. Yeah, like how are you, how are you doing, and where you come from. It's like whatever you know, and what you see that is surrounding you, you can start out this way. Suppose you are like in front of someone, basically it's maybe it can be with your friends, so you can introduce and you can interact in English. Suppose the basic conversation that is needed, that we like usually ask our friend, like how are you, or where you come from, like what's happened, what's new, and you know so this way you have to start out. Try to make little sentences. It can be like, we know that like many things. Suppose I can go, and you can't go, and you should write, and whatever I'm saying, the moral is that from today you should like spend your time by learning even the saying, that you should saying that thing. Okay, by the way, I'm today feel like really I can say literally shy, because in front of me someone is going there over there, so it's really matter of shame, but I don't feel like that much. But I should in this video right now, because they are little one, they may like feel whatever, I don't know. So now bye, because they are saying, they are looking at me. Okay, bye.